Hi, David here with the Ottawa and Kingston La-Z-Boy locations. This video will provide detailed information and instructions on how to operate the power controls at La-Z-Boy. Power furniture from the La-Z-Boy Duo collection is controlled by two buttons on the side of the frame. To recline back and lift the leg rest, simply hold down the front button closest to the USB port. To sit upright and lower the leg rest, hold down the back button. Releasing the button at any time will stop the motion and hold the current position. For Duo furniture purchased after October 2021, one-touch operation is available. For one-touch operation, hold the button at the front of the unit for a half second and the leg rest will continue until it's fully extended. To stop the automatic motion at any time, touch either button. To return the unit to the upright and closed position, press and hold the back button for a half a second and let go. You can finally adjust the position of the leg rest by quickly tapping either button. Pressing and releasing the buttons within a quarter of a second will not engage the automatic motion. La-Z-Boy power recliners such as wall-away and rocker recliners require a 4-button power control on the side of the frame. The front bottom button extends the footrest, while the front top button reclines the backrest. The back bottom button closes the footrest, while the back top button returns the backrest to an upright position. With this, the back and the leg rest have the ability to operate independently. To extend the leg rest and recline at the same time, simply press both front buttons at once. The 4-button control panel can be upgraded to a tethered hand control. The hand control allows for more effortless usage as you don't have to reach over the side of your chair. The buttons on the tethered hand control are very similar to the buttons found on the mounted 4-button power control. The top two control the leg rest movement, while the bottom two control the backrest movement. La-Z-Boy power furniture with the adjustable headrest feature a 3-button toggle switch mounted to the side of each frame. Each toggle powers either the leg rest, backrest, or adjustable headrest, which can all move independently. The toggle is a switch that can be pressed forward or backward to power specific movement on the furniture. At any time, let go of the toggle to claim a specific position. The front bottom toggle is used to adjust the leg rest. Press and hold the toggle backwards to extend the leg rest. Press and hold the toggle forward to close the leg rest. The back bottom button toggle is used to adjust the backrest. Press and hold the button backwards to recline the back. Press and hold the toggle forward to return to the sitting position. Finally, the top toggle is used to adjust the headrest. Press and hold the button forward to lift the headrest. Press and hold the button backwards to return the headrest to its original position. Additionally, the front of the panel beside the 3-button toggle switch features a home button and 2 memory buttons. The 2 memory buttons labeled 1 and 2 are located on the top and bottom of the home button. When you found yourself in the most comfortable position, hold down either the memory 1 or memory 2 button until it beeps. That's an indicator that your preferred position has been set. To access your preferred position, press and release the desired stored memory button, not holding for more than 2 seconds, and the recliner automatically moves to the stored setting. Press and release the home button and the chair automatically moves to its home position, which is upright and closed. La-Z-Boy power furniture with an adjustable headrest and lumbar support feature a 4-button toggle switch mounted on the side of the frame. The toggle is a switch that can be pressed forward, backward to power a specific movement on the furniture. At any time, let go of the toggle to claim a specific position. The front bottom toggle is used to adjust the lumbar. Press and hold the toggle backwards to increase the lumbar intensity. Press and hold the toggle forward to decrease the lumbar intensity. The back button toggle is used to adjust the leg rest. Press and hold the toggle backwards to extend the leg rest. Press and hold the toggle forward to close the leg rest. The front top toggle is used to adjust the headrest. Press and hold the button forwards to lift the headrest. Press and hold the button backwards to return the headrest to its original position. Finally, the back top button toggle is used to adjust the backrest. Press and hold the button backwards to recline back. Press and hold the toggle forward to return to its sitting position. The 3-button and 4-button power toggle switches can be upgraded to a wireless remote control. To recline and adjust your position, use the left button with the arrows pointing up and down. To recline back, press the arrow pointing down. To sit up, press the arrow pointing up. Similarly, the headrest and the lumbar can be adjusted the same way. Further, the wireless remote also features memory buttons and the ability to set preferred positions of comfort. If you can't find your remote, simply press the Find Me button on the side of the chair. It'll send a signal to the remote and cause the remote to flash with LED lights and create a beeping sound. Once you've found a comfortable position that you intend on resting in for a while, switch on the Do Not Disturb button found on the side of the chair. While the chair is in the Do Not Disturb mode, the connection between the remote and the unit is turned off. When you're ready to reposition, simply switch the Do Not Disturb button off and your remote should regain connection. If your power furniture has lost connection to the wireless remote, there are a couple of steps to sync your power furniture to the wireless remote. First, ensure that the Do Not Disturb button on the side of your chair is switched off. You want to ensure that your chair is opened to picking up the signal of the remote. Next, take the batteries out of the remote and disconnect all power to the chair. You'll find 3 batteries in the remote and 3 batteries in the power supply at the back of the chair. After you take out the batteries, disconnect the cord of the unit from the wall. Once you've taken out all the batteries and disconnected the unit from the wall, wait 10 seconds for the system to reset. Now, put the batteries back in the unit and the remote and plug the unit back into the wall. Next, press the Find Me button on the side of the chair. This button has an icon that looks like an hourglass. Finally, you'll need to press the Reset button on the remote. To do so, open the compartment where the batteries are, take a paper clip, and use the paper clip to press the button below the batteries. Push and hold till you hear the click. Now that you've reset your remote, as a result, you will hear a series of 3 beeps that last 5 seconds. That is an indication that your pairing to your power furniture has been successful. Navigated by an attached remote control, the upgrade offers 2 massage duration times, 3 types of massages, 2 levels of heat, and 3 levels of intensity. When the unit is off, the buttons of the remote appear blue. As you select your preferences in length, massage, heat, and intensity, each choice is reflected by either a green, amber, or red color on the remote. There are 2 lengths of massage, 15 minutes, 30 minutes. There are 3 types of massages, constant, wave, and pulse. Each massage setting has 3 levels of intensity, low, medium, and high. And finally, there are 2 levels of heat, low and high. If you're experiencing problems with your La-Z-Boy product and are seeking the repair or replacement of a part, our customer service team is here to help. To get in touch with our service department, you can email customercare@lzb.ca or call 613-749-0001. For more information about our Power furniture, you can browse our Furniture 101 or our How To playlists. Thanks for tuning in.